too, and I'm not done with this thing. But this is video for later. Let's unbox the rest. Hurry. She's so fun. I'm sorry. Oh. I'm gonna do the candy in a whole other video, but first we're just going to like unbox the rest. Ooze Chews Sticks Salad. Forehead. I see. Little dips and puppet candy. Ooh. Sounds good. Next step. I'm just gonna unbox it. I'm gonna unbox this in here later. We don't need it later. Oh. Whoop. Here's open the thing. I kind of opened it, but okay. We're just gonna leave it for them too. But I'll put it. Come on, look at answers on the too. Like that thing. Oh. Is this an answer? Is there an actual candy in here? Oh, there is. See? Make your own candy ring, bracelet, and necklace. Ooh. This is gonna be for a nut for a whole nother part. Because this is cartoon, if you haven't noticed. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button, please. I'm trying to hit like 1,000 subscribers before the end of this month, or the end of next month, or the end of the year. Ooh, gummy candies. Like a sticky packet. And go now the paper. Just leave it there. And have a whole lot of pizza. I don't know if the bottom has anything. The box at the bottom though. Scratch our pack. I don't know what the are. Glasses with candy bracelet. And then last but not least, this is going to be the last part. This ping pong or whatever it is.